What is going on? Happy Friday, happy St. Patty's Day, happy life. Let me turn the light on. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create a simple bot automation for your Facebook page. Now, they don't have to be super complicated, but having something like this can generate leads when people come and visit your Facebook business page, and it can provide just a better and more interactive experience for your page visitors. So let me share my screen and we will jump right in. Let's get back to here. And okay, so I used to use MiniChat. MiniChat's a popular one. I switched over to, which I guess you can't see it, it's kind of cut off here, but Social Noah. Basically because there was a lifetime deal on it on AppSumo, and so instead of paying monthly for something like MiniChat, this has all the features plus some, and it was a lifetime deal. So that's the reason. You can use it for Instagram or Facebook, so you could create, automations. You can create post, so if somebody comments on one of your posts. So there's a lot of things you can do here. I'm going to just show you how to create a simple bot flow automation for Fractal CRM. And so, if we do create new flow. All right, so you've got the start bot. Now we need something to kick it off, and so we want to add an action button, and these have some pre-built action buttons. So I'm going to just use get started, and we're going to connect this to the action button. So basically what this step does is if you go to the Facebook page and you have the messenger button and they click that and then they click get started, so start the conversation, what have you, then that's going to kick off this flow that we're building out. Now I also am going to add some trigger keywords. So what this means is if somebody is in the messenger and they go and they say hi, hello, I don't know if it necessarily has to be all uppercase, lowercase, different things, but hi, hello. So we'll just start with those and we will do done. And for this will be a trigger. So now we have a button to get started. And we also have, if they type in hi, hello, any of those, that will also kick off this trigger. All right, so let's see. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a text. Excuse me. And so we're just going to say hi, first name, thanks for contacting us. And what we can do is let's just so typing on display will make it look like it's typing. We'll wait 1 second. Next thing I'm going to do is throw an image in here, and let's see, so we're just going to throw in a little Tom Hanks, Forrest Gump waving. Okay, then, and we can always save it, but we're going to give it just a start. All right, so hi name, thanks for contacting us. Give them a little Tom Hanks Forrest Gump wave there. And then let's send them, we'll do a text, and we will say, what can we help you with today? We'll wait 1 second. All right. Now, the next thing we want to do, hold on 1 second. Why is that? Okay. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is we're going to use quick reply, and we're going to use a new post back. So we can do login. We can do, let's see, so I got the website, so login, create account, or demo. Those are the three. We're going to log in, create account, demo platform. You know what, let's do one other, and we're gonna say let's say other. All right, so basically what these are doing is the only problem is you do have to be like very, come on now, work backwards then. So basically what this is doing is it's going to say, what can we help you with? And then it's going to give you these options of login, create account, demo platform, or other. And so basically if they click login, we're going to send them to the login page. If they create account, we'll send them to the sales page. Demo platform, we'll send them to the demo page. And other will we'll have that be where essentially they can then talk to a human, right? Or ask questions that may not have to do with one of these. So for login, let's just go ahead and name this login and click done. And then what we are going to do is let's see, we'll add a text and we'll say, cool, click the button to go straight to the login page to access your CRM account. And we'll delay that 1 second. And then we will create a button, and the button we will have what URL, and so we are going to go here, and we're gonna copy the link, and that should just paste it right in. Okay, so now if they click login here, so postback, basically it's kind of like starting a new flow. I won't get into all the details there, but then they're going to get a message that says, cool, click the button to go straight to the login page to access your Fractal CRM account. And so then the button's going to say login, and when they click it, it will take them to the login page. All right, so the next one we want here is we're basically just going to duplicate these. So we're going to do text and awesome, amazing platform that I know you're going to love. Click button to start it. All right, and so we'll delay that 1 second, and then like before, we're going to have a button, and we're going to name this create account, and this will go back to the URL, and we'll come here. Thought I had. All right, so for this, we're just going to send them here. I think I have a separate just sign up page directly, but I'll have to double check that. But either way, you can still see how this is working. So that'll just send them there. All right, and then demo the platform. Cool, so we're going to send the text. Best way to see if Fractal CRM is what you're looking for is to dive in and test out the platform. Click the button to access a demo account. All right, we'll delay that 2 seconds either way. Okay, and then let's come back here, and we'll just grab that URL, and then we want a button. Demo platform. So you can see how easy this is, and again, all of a sudden we went from, you know, and I'm even explaining it as I'm going through it, so you can see though it still hasn't taken me that long. But now when somebody goes to the Fractal CRM Facebook page, or I could set this up as a, you know, Instagram messaging or whatever, but when they click get started, now they're you know, we're reaching out, we're welcoming them, thanking them for contacting us, and we're kind of directing, you know, trying to I don't know, anticipate or what they may be reaching out for. So we've got, cool, if you want to, you know, log into your account, here's the link. If you want to create an account and get started, here's the link. If you want to demo the platform, here's the link. And then if you want to create account, everything's got to have some titles and labels. So demo platform, and then we'll name that other. Let's do a text, and here let's see. I understand. Let me. looking for, and I will go. Okay, so now we should be able to save. Everything's set up. So again, this one's not a very complicated flow. We've got the start button. We've got if they come in and they say hi or hello or get started, or we could also add like demo can kickstart this campaign. So then it comes through, and let me just make sure this is still recording the right thing. Okay. So then it comes through, and I don't know, I just love the Tom Hanks Forrest Gump GIF. Not that, half the kids under 40 these days know what that is, but so then what can we help you with today? And they can click to log in, create account, demo the platform, or other. And so you can see here if they log in, cool, click the button to go straight to the login page to access your Fractal CRM account. Cool, they click the button, logs in, end of conversation, or they can still message and stuff. And then create account, goes to the sales page again. I should have a separate sales page. I'll have to double check that it's more than, I have something else besides just a pop-up setup, but demo the platform, cool. Again, and always trying to like validate whatever choice they make, and then, just tell them what the next step is. So, validate, next step kind of thing. And then other, cool, understand, let us know what you're looking for, and I will go get a team member to help you out. So that is the workflow. Now, if I hop over to the page, so if you go to page settings, and it's a little bit different whether you are on a classic Facebook business page or the whatever new experience, I think is what they call it. So, but if you come down here to advanced messaging and connected apps, so again, if you're using MiniChat or whatever, you'll want to connect that. I'm using Social Noah. So I'm not going to remove it, but and then handover protocol. So basically, this is just what app do you want to, when somebody messages your page, what app do you want to, who do you want to receive that message, which app, in case you have multiple ones set up. And so I want this to go here, and so then you would save that. And now if we go to the page, I think I got this all set up. Probably should have checked it out first. And let's see, test button. So get started. Thanks for contacting us. How can we help? Oh, looks like I've got something else. So, and then you can see the buttons and everything. I'll need to go back and double check. It looks like I probably have just a automatic message set up in the page. So that looks like that is probably going to be under messaging tools. Let's see if this... Oh, thanks for contacting you. We've received a message. Appreciate. How can we help out? So, what we want to do is let me see. I don't even know what this was. Okay. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to turn both of these off, and now those automations won't take place. So that is why that was happening twice, but we just fixed that. So now again, log in, create account, demo the platform or other, and simple as that. But now I'm helping to provide some value to direct the conversation, and if somebody comes here and they are looking for something specific, those are really the kind of the main things that they're gonna be looking to do: log in, create account, demo the platform, or actually talk to somebody. And so you may only have one or two buttons or options, but MiniChat works very similarly. Again, this Social Noah was a lifetime deal on AppSumo, so it's got some cool things. It can do comment, automated, messenger bot comments. So if somebody comments on a post, you can have them, automatically send a message. Hey, thanks for commenting on my post. Like, here's, here's the guide you requested. Here's the video. Here's the XYZ. So you can really set this up in a lot of ways. And, I talk a lot about leverage, and basically leverage is when you're able to get a, outsized return or benefit for a, specific amount of work or effort. And so you saw here, we spent, I don't even know how long it's been, 10, 15 minutes building this out. So it took a little bit of time here on the front end, but now anytime anybody messages my business page, Fractal CRM, it will run and direct them again to either log into their account, sign up, or watch the demo, or just reach out and have a chat with myself or one of my team members. So again, pretty easy to set up, but it does, Facebook pages don't have nearly the reach, but especially if you're running ads or things like that, you can run ads straight to a messenger ad, and you could create a workflow and basically save it as what's called the JSON, and you then in the ad you basically put that code, and so when somebody clicks the ad and starts the ad, the flow, it basically will take them through their automation that you set up. Again, you can do that in MiniChat, or there's quite a few, I think, platforms nowadays that can do all this. But yeah, so that's how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But again, now anybody who visits Fractal CRM, interacts with the page, clicks the messenger button, now we have a nice little sequence that will direct them and help them out. So hope you found this valuable. Again, happy Friday, happy St. Patty's Day, and hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you guys later.